Well, this is the first time I've seen a truck filled with animals going to slaughter. As you can hear them crying, they're so sad. This must be the driver of the truck. Looks like an average guy, probably doesn't even think twice about it. Just makes me want to cry. I've just never heard the animals